meghalayapost.news.
Satang katuganis ngi lahapan pantamayo MP ka Rajya Sabha na kajala Meghalaya kabade hadian balakot kasamoy trikamu Dr. W.R. Karuki kumu MP ka Rajya Sabha banmantakas ngi omtang ke NPP kabala Rai banjit yo James ke Sangma banlong kumu kertong Pynïakhun Haka ke election Rajya Sabha Henry Wat kiwe ki parti ki badan Haka ke sarkar sunrop balatip kum ke MDA government kila Rai ban kersyan baik yo James ke Sangma kumu kertong Pynïakhun Haka ke election ka Rajya Sabha kuman penkenmau ke election Rajya Sabha ka jala Meghalaya kan salong ka Pratrik Ujaliu Arhajar Arpunrio Banakaliang Katunad Election Commission Kajlaru Kalalong Kabalakre Ban Penlong ya Katay ka election Habakran halor kani kajing kersyan lang kiwe ki parti kibadan hakani ka sarkar MDA tu kidon hadu saup sangut ki MLA kibalaray ban kersyan kumbala paw hakajing yalang kabalalong mantakas ngi hanong ba shillong hakani kajing yalang banray kum kertong yo James ke Sangma la shimanta nadu kinong mikman na ka parti NPP UDP HSPDP bat BJP bat kila shimru ya karay ban kersyan yo kumbala jimanjur da ka NPP parti Hagani kajingilang ladon langru nadu menteri rengba kajela Konrad ki Sangma badu ba perstun tensong kum sembut menteri kajela ki balapan pau ba ke NPP kashim ya karai ban kersyan yo James ki Sangma kum kertong Hagani ke election Rajya Sabha.
Today's meeting centered around one major item, which is the nomination and selection of candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat from the state of Meghalaya. So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the MDA 2 were briefed about election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026 and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state president of the NPP. 2. In the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the MDA 2. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James P.K. Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the MDA 2. 5. However, respecting the wishes of the various constituent members of the MDA to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest / support / stay neutral / stay away from the above by-election. 6. Since there was only one matter for consideration by the meeting today, the Honourable Leader of the Parliamentary Party of the MDA 2, Shri Konrad K. Sangma, thanked all members present and concluded the meeting with a formal request to all members to work unitedly to ensure the successful realization of the decisions of today's meeting.
The nomination filing will be on the 5th of this month at 2:30.
So, what about the weight? There are differences of opinion now. There will not be any particular weight, or a party can issue weight to the party.
So therefore, since we have all the constituents of the MDA here today, as mentioned in the resolution, that different political parties have expressed their desire to have their representative from their party as a nominee for the Rajya Sabha, and detailed discussions took place. That's why we took a lot of time. Detailed discussion took place, but at the end, since we could not come up with a consensus on different desires by different political parties, we came to a consensus and we have all agreed together that we will go as per the kind of democratic process and allow the largest party's nominee to be backed, and therefore the fact that all the political parties who are present today, as you can see all are present, have formally agreed to that, and therefore the question of the whip coming in any other way does not arise. If the whip does come in, it will come in the language that the particular political parties' MLAs will support the candidature, which is the MDA-2's candidature. And I think what is important to note is that the candidature which we are proposing now is not a political party's candidature, but now this has been adopted as a resolution as the MDA-2's candidate.
meghalayapost.news